Once upon a time in India, there was a great poet named Rabindranath Tagore. He was famous for his poetry, music, and art. One day, he was asked by his friend to write a song in honor of King George V, who was visiting India at the time. However, Tagore refused to write a song for the British king. Instead, he decided to write a song that would honor India, the land of his birth. He sat down and wrote a beautiful poem that described the beauty of India and the pride he felt for his country. The poem was called Jana Gana Mana, which means Thou art the ruler of the minds of all people in Bengali. When Tagore first wrote the poem, it was not intended to be a national anthem. However, in 1911, it was sung for the first time at a gathering of the Indian National Congress in Calcutta. The song quickly became popular among the people, and many started to call for it to be adopted as the national anthem. Years went by, and India gained independence from British rule in 1947. In 1950, the newly formed government of India decided that it needed a national anthem to represent the country. They considered many songs, but finally, they decided on Jana Gana Mana. The anthem was officially adopted on 24th January 1950. The song's lyrics were slightly changed to make them more inclusive of all the people of India, regardless of their religion or language. The song was translated into Hindi and became the national anthem of India. And that's the story of how Jana Gana Mana became the national anthem of India. It's a song that celebrates the beauty and diversity of India and reminds us all of the pride we feel for our country.